Once we've set up the sound level meter on the tripod in the position in which we're going to be taking the measurements, we can conduct a calibration. So to do that, we need to stand the instrument in a vertical orientation and then resecure it. Remove the windsock and we take the calibrator, and you also need to record the details from the calibrator itself. And for the instruments that you'll be using in the workshop, you've got those details written inside the flat. So this is a calibrator that gives out a signal at 93.8 dB. So to turn it on, it's just a button on the side, and then we carefully place that over the top of the microphone, like so. Goes down about 1 centimetre. And then we calibrate the instrument through the touch screen, which is accessed from the bottom left corner. We tap calibration, and then we're ready to tap start calibration. And that's a process that'll take 20 or 30 seconds. Tells us up the top bar here that it's in calibrating, and we get this pop-up that the deviation from the last calibration is the absolute value is 0.07 dB, so we can accept that calibration. Tells us it's calibrating at the top left, and that the calibration was successful, so we can now exit calibration, remove the calibrator, replace the windsock, and we're ready to take a measurement.